Harris County, Texas Constable's Office has issued an Amber Alert for a child abduction that occurred on February 6, 2024 at 3 p.m. Abducted was Noah Johnson, black, male, age 1. Suspect vehicle is a WHI 2007 GMC Yukon bearing Texas registration STM 7097. Suspect is Camilla Johnson, a black, female, 38, 5 feet 4 inches tall, 170 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Victim Noah Johnson is 3 feet 0 inches tall, 26 pounds, with hair and brown eyes. Last seen wearing a navy shirt and pants with a flower pattern. Victim has hair braided in cornrows. The state of Texas issued paperwork that removes custody from the mother. Child is in danger due to a serious health condition. Suspect was last known to be at a Walmart on West 133rd Street in Kansas City, MO on February 26, 2024 at 9:45 p.m. Please call 911 or Harris County, Texas at 281-488-4040 if you have any information pertaining to this alert.